Hey there, today we're going to look at how to reset the ice maker on a Whirlpool French door refrigerator. So let's get started. First, open the freezer compartment. Over here, locate the ice maker unit, usually attached to the wall inside the freezer. After that, turn off the ice maker. Over here, look for the on-off switch or arm lever, turn it off or lift the arm to the up position, and wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then turn the ice maker back on. Over here, flip the switch to on or push the arm down to the on position. This resets the ice maker in many Whirlpool models. Next, use the reset button if your model has one. Over here, look under or on the side of the ice maker. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds until you hear a chime or see movement in the ice tray. That means the reset process has started. After that, reset from the control panel if you have a newer model. Over here, press and hold the options and lock buttons together for about 3 seconds, then release both when the panel resets. Then wait for ice production. Over here, give it about 24 hours to start making ice again. Make sure the water line is connected and the filter isn't clogged. Also, check that the freezer temperature is around 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. Replace the water filter every 6 months and avoid overfilling the freezer to maintain airflow. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.